Hey, it's your girl Serena Lachey. Hope y'all having a good day today. Today we're about to make some nachos. So the first thing you want to do is grab your ground beef. Now you want to season the meat. Okay, next you're going to add your taco seasoning. If you don't have taco seasoning, you can use this. You can use brown gravy. And then you want to add your cheese. If you don't have like the canned cheese, try to use American cheese. But make sure you put water in it. So basically, once you cook the ground beef and then pour some brown, this is if you don't have taco seasoning, you can use gravy, brown gravy. Put some brown gravy in there, put some water in there, and then put some American cheese. This if you don't have canned cheese, put some American cheese, and that will be your base. And then you add your tomatoes, lettuce, sour cream. Do it how you want to. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. I will see y'all in the next one.